Hi, my name is Ulrich and today I'm going to show you how to build these benches. They're quite easy to build and very handy to have, whether you're going to the carnival or just need a new bench at home or in your garden. Step 1. Measure and cut. Get a 2x4 piece of wood and cut it into 4 lengths of 41 cm, 4 lengths of 26 cm, and 3 lengths of 90 cm. Mark where you want to cut with a pencil and cut it with a saw or a circular saw. You can also ask for the wood to be cut to size at your local Kooyman store. Step 2. Build the legs. Once all your lumber is cut to size, use some screws to connect them together. Just make sure the shorter ones are placed inside the longer ones. And repeat it for the other side. Step 3. Assembling the seat. Take the 3 remaining pieces of wood and put it on top of the legs. Use 2 screws on each end. Make sure they're evenly spaced. Step 4. Sanding. Next, sand the edges. You can use a machine or just by hand. Step 5. Staining or painting. You can leave the bench as is, or paint or stain it to get a finish like this one. Thank you for watching this online workshop. Be sure to follow Kooyman's online platform for upcoming live events and our blog to make sure you get all the tips and tricks and project ideas.
Kooyman.